And that brings us to the number one fear of debt settlement, the fear of having a negative impact on your credit score. Horrifying. Credit score going down. Is this you now? Passed out on the floor? Oh my God, you need CPR, resuscitation, life support at the thought, the very notion of your credit score going down? All the time we go through it. If I don't make my monthly payment on my credit card bill, what does that do to my credit score? If I open up a new account, what does that do to my credit score? If I close an account, what does that do to my credit score? If somebody checks my credit goes up by 10 points, what does that mean? If it goes down by 25 points, what does that mean? We're so programmed to have this conversation going on in our head on a daily basis. Of course, we're afraid of anything negative happening to our credit score. We've been trained to feel that way about it since we were teenagers. Television commercials, radio commercials, print ads. Be afraid, be afraid, be afraid. It's so pounded into us that we should guard our credit score with more ferocity than our virginity. And please don't misinterpret me here. I'm not saying that you shouldn't pay attention to your credit score. I'm only saying that you should only pay attention to your credit score for what its value is. Your credit score is a tool. If you need to take out a loan, if you have a reason to seek out a higher amount of credit at a lower interest rate, having a high credit score that allows you to do that is a good thing. It is a tool. On the other hand, if you have no need for credit, if you're not looking to take out a large loan, and a few other things that we use credit scores for, like renting a new apartment, or sometimes employers look at a credit score when you apply for a job, if you're not using the tool for what the tool does at any given time, if the tool can do something for you financially in your best interests at a lower score, why do we want to avoid that at all costs? Why are you so attached to it being high forever?